What if you could build a hedge fund team where Warren Buffett, Charlie Munger, Michael Burry, and Cathie Wood all analyze the same stock simultaneously, and a risk manager synthesizes their recommendations into a final trade? That's exactly what AI Hedge Fund does. 19 AI agents, each with a famous investor's philosophy, collaborating on every trade decision. It has 50,600 GitHub stars, and it's one of the most popular AI finance projects ever created. AI Hedge Fund is an open-source educational proof of concept created by Virat Singh that simulates an entire hedge fund trading team using multi-agent AI. Instead of a single algorithm making buy or sell decisions, the system deploys 19 specialized agents that approach stock analysis from fundamentally different investment philosophies. The key insight is that real hedge funds don't rely on one person's opinion. They have teams of analysts with different perspectives who debate and synthesize their views. AI Hedge Fund replicates this by giving each agent a specific investing personality and letting them argue their case. The system then aggregates their recommendations through a risk manager who sets position limits and a portfolio manager who makes the final trade decisions. It's important to be upfront. This is explicitly educational software. It does not make real trades. The creator takes no liability for financial decisions, and past performance does not indicate future results. But as a demonstration of how multi-agent AI systems can tackle complex decision-making, it's exceptional. Let's look at the repo. 50,600 stars and 8,800 forks make this one of the most starred AI projects on all of GitHub, not just in finance. The code base is Python for the core agent logic, with TypeScript for the web interface. Poetry handles dependency management. The README is clear about what this is and what it isn't. Educational software, not a trading platform. There's a well-organized source directory with the agent implementations, a web app for visual exploration, Docker support for containerized deployment, and a test tweet. The project has 813 commits showing sustained development, and 65 open pull requests indicate an active contributor community. Virat Singh has built something that captures the imagination of both the AI and finance communities simultaneously. The agent roster reads like a hall of fame of investing legends. Warren Buffett focuses on quality businesses at reasonable prices. Charlie Munger evaluates wonderful businesses at fair prices with his mental models approach. Ben Graham applies strict value investing with margin of safety requirements. Michael Burry hunts for deep value contrarian plays, the kind of asymmetric bets he's famous for. Cathie Wood looks for growth and disruption, the innovation-driven investing she's known for at ARK Invest. Aswath Damodaran brings disciplined academic valuation. Bill Ackman takes an activist investor perspective. Nassim Taleb focuses on tail risk and anti-fragility. Peter Lynch searches for 10-baggers in everyday companies. Phil Fisher applies his scuttlebutt research methodology. Monish Pabrai looks for low-risk doubles. Stanley Druckenmiller spots macro opportunities. And Rakesh Jhunjhunwala brings an Indian markets focus. On top of the philosophy agents, 4 analysis agents handle valuation calculations, market sentiment, fundamental metrics, and technical chart patterns. Then the risk manager sets position limits, and the portfolio manager synthesizes everything into final trade decisions. The collaboration model is what makes AI hedge fund architecturally interesting. Each philosophy agent receives the same stock data, financial statements, price history, market context, but interprets it through a completely different lens. Buffett asks whether this company has a durable competitive advantage. Burry runs his own DCF and looks for the market's blind spots. Cathie Wood evaluates the disruption potential and growth trajectory. Taleb asks what the tail risks are and whether the position is anti-fragile. These aren't just different prompts. Each agent embodies a fundamentally different theory of what makes a good investment. After all philosophy agents produce their recommendations, the 4 analysis agents provide technical grounding, hard numbers on valuation, sentiment indicators, fundamental metrics, and chart pattern signals. The risk manager then applies position sizing constraints, maximum allocation per stock, portfolio-wide risk limits, correlation awareness. Finally, the portfolio manager weighs all inputs and generates the actual trade recommendation with specific allocations. The result is a decision that no single agent would have reached alone, a synthesis of competing investment philosophies filtered through quantitative risk management. Running AI hedge fund starts with cloning the repo and installing dependencies with Poetry. You need at least one LLM API key, OpenAI, Anthropic, Grok, or DeepSeek, plus a financial data API key. The main command takes a list of stock tickers and optionally a date range. Each agent analyzes the stocks through its philosophy. The risk and portfolio managers synthesize the results, and you get a structured recommendation. For local inference, the sharp Alamama flag routes everything through a locally running Alamama model. No API keys needed for the LLM side. The web app provides a visual interface for the same analysis, showing each agent's reasoning and the final portfolio decision in a browsable format. The backtesting module lets you evaluate the system's recommendations against historical data. Pass your tickers with a start and end date, and the backtester simulates what would have happened if you had followed the agent's recommendations over that period. It generates standard portfolio metrics: total return, Sharpe ratio, maximum drawdown, win rate. This is where the educational value really shines. You can compare what Buffett-style analysis recommended versus what Burry-style analysis recommended for the same stocks over the same period, and see how the synthesized portfolio manager decision performed against individual agent strategies. The date range is fully configurable, so you can test across bull markets, bear markets, or specific events like earnings seasons. AI Hedge Fund supports 5 LL providers out of the box: OpenAI, Anthropic Claude, Grok for fast inference, DeepSeek, and local models through Ollama. This flexibility matters for 2 reasons. First, cost. Running 19 agents against multiple stocks with detailed analysis generates significant token volume. Using Grok or DeepSeek instead of GPT-4 can reduce costs by an order of magnitude while maintaining reasonable quality. Second, privacy. For anyone running financial analysis they want to keep confidential, the Ollama option keeps everything local. No data leaves your machine. The provider configuration happens through environment variables, making it trivial to switch between providers or test how different models handle the same investing analysis. If you're learning about multi-agent AI systems and want a concrete, compelling example of how agent collaboration works, AI Hedge Fund is one of the clearest implementations available. 19 agents with genuinely different decision frameworks synthesized through a management layer. If you're interested in quantitative finance and want to understand how AI could augment investment research, this system demonstrates the full pipeline from data ingestion to portfolio recommendation. If you're building your own multi-agent system in any domain, the architecture, philosophy agents plus analysis agents plus management agents, is a pattern that transfers well beyond finance. And if you're just fascinated by the idea of AI agents debating stock picks with the investment philosophies of Buffett, Burry, and Cathie Wood, this is genuinely fun to watch in action. Educational only, MIT licensed, and the most starred AI finance project on GitHub. That's AI Hedge Fund, 19 agents channeling the world's greatest investors, collaborating on every trade. GitHub link in the description. Subscribe to Prism Labs for more AI deep dives.